Good morning, students. Welcome to the moral science class. In the previous class, we have learned the value of forgiveness. Now, I am going to tell you the most important value, that is, be yourself. Now, meaning of the value be yourself means be satisfied with your physical qualities. It means that be happy with what you are and also believe in good deeds. Students, let's learn about the value be yourself through some examples. This is Ria. Ria is not as beautiful as her friend, but she is caring, helpful, and responsible. She is satisfied with the qualities that she has. This shows that she knows her own qualities and the value be yourself. On the other hand, Ria is not as beautiful as her friend. She feels jealous of her and tries to look like her. She is not satisfied with herself. This shows that she does not know her own qualities and the value be yourself. Now meet Rohan. Rohan is shorter than his friend. He feels jealous of his friend. He is not satisfied with himself. This shows that he does not know the value be yourself. On the other hand, Reena is also shorter than her friend, but she is happy and satisfied with herself. This shows that she knows the value be yourself. There is a famous saying, I tried to put myself in your shoes, but they were ugly and cheap. It means we should not copy others. Be satisfied with what you are and try to do good deeds, which are more important than physical qualities. Now, source of inspiration. Students, you all are familiar with this great personality. This is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He belonged to a poor family. Kalam had to sell newspaper in his early years in order to earn money and help his parents. Dr. Abdul Kalam was very hardworking man. He had strong belief in himself. He struggled hard and got a great success as a scientist and politician. He was the 11th President of India and was known by the title of Missile Man of India. The life history of Kalam tells that he was very simple and hard-working man. This shows that he knew the value be yourself. Students, now we are going to read the lesson Be Yourself. Before reading the lesson, let's go through its big picture. In this lesson, we will discuss meaning of the value be yourself. Where is it required? Advantages of following this value. Disadvantages of not following this value. We will also discuss a story based on this value. After reading the lesson, we will discuss situations related to this value. Now, objective. By the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to value yourself, how to remain satisfied with what you are, not to copy others, and to have belief in yourself. Now get ready with your life skills book and sharpen pencils. Open page number 31 and put finger on your books. Now let's start reading. Lesson 6. Be yourself. Be yourself means be satisfied with what you are. Amit is a good boy. He is happy with what he is. His complexion is not fair, but he never desires to have fair complexion. Underline the word complexion. Write down its meaning. Natural color of skin. Underline the word fair. Write down its meaning. Light. Fair means light color of the skin. Underline the word desires. Write down its meaning. Wish. He never compares himself with other children. Students, as you know, be yourself means be satisfied with whatever God has given to you. In this lesson, we are talking about a boy whose name is Amit. He is happy with himself. Even he does not have fair complexion, but still he is happy. He never compares himself with other children. Now think and write. You should also try to be yourself. You should not compare your physical qualities with those of others. Underline the word physical qualities. Write down its meaning. Features about the body. Students, God has made every person with different qualities and features. Some have beautiful hair and some have beautiful eyes. But we should not be jealous of anyone. We should be satisfied with whatever we have and always thank God for giving a beautiful life. Now students, you have to answer the following questions in the form of yes or no. Are you satisfied with your physical qualities? Number 2. Do you wish to have certain physical qualities that your friends have? Number 3. Do you become sad when you see a more beautiful child than you? Number 4. Do you compare yourself with others? Students, I hope that you have learned the value be yourself very well. Now your homework is to read the lesson Be Yourself and do exercises A and B on book. We will meet soon in a next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.